All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking tool truck alternatives featuring Gray Pneumatic. All right, so impact sockets. If you've watched some of my older videos, I've recommended impact sockets over chrome regardless. So rarely do you actually just need chrome that you're much better off spending the money on impacts. Well, Gray Pneumatic is a great choice for impact sockets. Now these are brand new sets, never been used, and this is a great choice if you need impact sockets. If you need sockets in 3/8 or 1/2 inch, Gray Pneumatic's affordable and they're good. Now I've got a set of 3/8 metric mid-length and a combo set of shallow and deep, a metric again, from 7mm to 19. Now I've used Gray Pneumatic for years. If you're buying axle nut sockets, don't buy Snap-on, buy Gray Pneumatic. They will last literally for years. They're a lifetime warranty and they cost a whole heck of a lot less. I have beaten the heck out of my Gray Pneumatic impact sockets for axle nuts, and I mean gotten them so hot that you couldn't touch them trying to get a seized axle nut off a axle that's, galled threads or whatever, and go back for more. Great bargain in impact socket. Gray Pneumatic swivel impacts have been almost perfect. They do tend to wear out over time. They do get a little wobbly, but again, lifetime warranty. I think I've warranted 2 or 3 of this set. Again, for the price, you can't beat them. Way better than, Harbor Freight or anything like that. Not quite as good as the Matco ones I prefer, but definitely will get the job done. Definitely a great alternative to the tool trucks for impact socket. Now, if you notice, 2 new sets of sockets. Well, guess what? The reason they're so new, i.e. brand new, is I'm giving them away. That's right. One of you guys or gals can win these tools. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I paid for these out of my own pocket. I mean, yeah, they weren't expensive, but they're free tools, so they're really good tools. So how to enter? Comment in the video below, anything, just comment. Be a subscriber, and in 2 weeks, I will do a live drawing the Saturday following the 2 weeks, and I will randomly pick one of those comments, and you'll win the tools. Now, because of the weight, they're sockets, sorry. I am limiting this to the United States because, $100 to ship it, out of the country. And then you got to pay tariffs on it. So, sorry, I am limiting this to the United States. So, anything of value going across, the border, you tend to get screwed, and it costs a lot of money to ship. So, United States only. So, comment below. I'll pick a live winner, and you could win them. So, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.